Hey guys, welcome back to the vid channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to apply for a bundling discount on your Geico insurance policies in 2025. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time, so let's just jump straight into the video. So the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Geico account. So you can just go ahead and log into your Geico account either on the mobile app, or you could do so on the Geico website. And once you're logged into your account, you're just going to click on policy details. And next thing you're going to do will be to select the policies that you want to bundle. So go ahead and select the policies that you want to bundle and click on apply for bundling discounts. Next thing you're going to do is to review and confirm the discount, just to make sure that you understand everything and the details are well understood. So once that's done, you're just going to save the changes to your policy, and Geico is going to take care of the rest for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for a bundling discount on your Geico insurance policies in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys